rwasinyire kingoro cyana kigosengo bugaye kingoro cyana kigosengo bugaye
Ndiamuno sana abagusimwa pia somole kwera chinga kicheino kuvache kipindi kegyamo kwa times kuna naba promise tingo ligindo mheshimiwa Arama ulimo rochokana na 22500 tabanyole kera tweresa mangana una mangana exactly na giye kunyalika biko kolekana mheshimiwa ndiamuno sana sokora chinga kichaweka wana ndiamuno sana
ndiamuno kabisa karibu sana Mbiatore asante nashukuru.
Twagokire sana. First of all ndito wote bimbia muno akora tere tinga kinyinge okonyora. Bantu bande bali gutoka. Lakini someone of your caliber gutoka this easy. Mbia muno sana.
Asante.
Tiato and direct to the conversation ya lero. First of all, who is Samuel Arama ngaiko ivolitwe okina wocha muno na kurwa.
Nje no mugusinde abantu abango maite na raginde bako ngina dini mugusinde. Ona zikita na jikura nyamira bari kubu nyamira kurwara bya nje setere kuru nyamira initially before tutaranya la constituency jibura buna note mundango nje initially tu alenge note mugrango
okay
egora seito yere kebirigo aria ni kumanyete viongozi center kebirigo my father donated center my father was a staunch Catholic. So, ambasongo jinga geri bajete. Father Queen. Nero ndio muri gali espiongo center.
Oh. Viongozi gali. Kai.
Viongozi center roboro center bamada. That's where I was born. Sometime back, I think in 1966.
Okay.
But then we moved to Mongoli settlement scheme. Gera chebirata.
Ni nyoroche no so metali Mongoli school.
No so metali Mongoli. Bono onyore Mongoli kero the next plot on you are right here Mongoli mate gal no. Ali no seito na kero na so metali Mongoli primary.
Oh okay.
Garonga na kio so Nairobi. I started working in Nairobi. Mna jite transfer na kuru tenia so I started doing business.
Okay.
Up to the time na te we kana ngara tigante ni chukura na ende kaira in 2013
igana kuru
lakini ende ndino mundu na kinirete nka
usi
aka when my mother passed on I was taken over by my sister because my mother has retired na lenge primary.
Oh okay.
And then we were going to do exams CPE that time
ya kale chinga gishi
CPE ngaeta kuruwa ronka rande na Nairobi ngachiko so mo but gradually that time was staying with my sister who was is late the principal ya Pangani Girls.
Oh Pangani Girls. That's great.
She was my sister.
Oh okay.
So that's nje seidere Mongoli settlement scheme.
Oh okay.
With the Borabu
constituency.
Asa akurukuno Mongoli settlement scheme.
Oh okay. Njabone ndona ko kile njana to asomete skura ya Mongoli.
My school.
Nditoja utarushi otra kwani abantu ba.
I'm always like this weekend I will be going there. You know that's where my home is. My siblings, my brothers, wives, abana beji brother bana bamenya that's home.
Na kumanya ndio kwa Mongoli toko gani?
No, we will go. We will go maybe this weekend. I'm intending to attend the funeral of our friend. Somewhere in Bobas.
Okay.
After that, I will pass through home.
Mongoli.
So we can go.
We can link up. We can link up. Now, again, the Canada Monaba will see what I think legally. Then Chiroko and Basel. You had to come on na kiayo gukora kwanyarikana kwa abantu 22500 gusi tutabuga digendo bnekyo teresa ngo byo byana kyo chogeta mana uye basale
maite litangani kabisa no inchekera na renge first time member of parliament.
Okay.
Na rukurubese ejo ora na jite na ruguruje na ida chibese chinyinge na ruasa chiskuru abana abange lakini egarudi chibese china abana bali kwa wanyona the maximum kilo mwana akanyora is 3000
yes.
So I started thinking why because you open your record maybe to schools. Now, for example, to what the school to what na Town West we have secondary schools otwakona twatebia bamwe twamarieta y'abana bari school we
baba
kwaba wajukwa rujibesa kwa maganyonyo kwa rujibesa na 4 million uje school lete divide by the number of students kwa nyagru mwana akana 3000
twasinke.
So I started asking myself why una time ngunya kugenda ngajanga taka kumanya abana baba kwa kachukura abiburu baba kachukura na Nakuru Town West.
Yes,
barenga bari kurwa so me school we. You know, I was shocked tatina abana ababa benefit babiburu baba bari kurwa na Nakuru Town West
abange ngurusiko
wa. So I started called vetting yongo ngenda wate bia babiburu kadwa ku apply babe kapati crash jao kemo kitambulisho ya kabere abeke foto askari nyoka bwato nyoka bwati urangiyo moto ibisi baje bari kusine foto ya gabo wa makuweka ne part certificate yo mwana wa apply. You know the reason ne fee structure the fee structure ne ria korgi no mwana ya go soma ne admission ne bwata admission ne
na school iko
so that to baso ndo juko mwana ne sasa uri okuri kariyoka yo you know bono egara tu ajete kurigereria ngama kanyora abantu toko ajibesa largely they don't come from Nakuru Town West. They come from all over Kenya. So we started
ukwakana umana kuri Mombasa
ukare Mombasa
aba Nairobi abachande
yako danyo ekwende Mombasa
ndanyorega
again this what to feting babe onyo utoto kumanya. Yesterday you were in my office. If you could see rejected forms just njale ngwaro chinyinge sana just bia bantu bali abande baruete gusi
chale ngange 100
kwa 800 ya baruete Mombasa baruete Usengai. You know wanajaribu bona again tukora tuweke part certificate so that tuligereria kare tu verify that you are afforded in Nakuru Town West to verify tuligereria na umwana uyo wa apply no yo every part certificate ne record so umwana na ngino umwana
iko
bona tuwale to konyora ne part certificate yo tena umwana oguru Samuel Yarama isa kurukumukua.
Yes,
na tajikitambulisho gano awake kuna Nakuru Town West kono you qualify
gono metono muntu wakana no yogo
wakana no muntu wake kuna Nakuru Town West
kabisa
ubuteri bokabire gako gara abantu bago apply from all over ne badajika various tribes lakini badari wake kuna Nakuru Town West you to have rejected
nengese na nacho nene abagusimba ro reject
abange rejected ya
aba apply go West Mugiranga
abange West Mugiranga actually leading West Mugiranga
West Mugiranga
na lead dia se asabari bago jabago apply chukura bago apply chipasa kuna Nakuru Town West
mujumbaro lakini bago apply na guru asara
kama wojaka na kodei go nama ya woja na rules na mana jibe sa chinga na iga I approximate ni madana bana ba ko tama tempo na Nakuru Town West
yo
ubanga na because I get data ya bana ba karansa
matani
ya Nakuru Town West
okay
ni mademba renga bana because ingo never year to kora matempo to man success cards
which is
every child ogo ikaranso mutiani so I know abana barenga baro so na sa we estimate ina bono jibese jitokorwa ejitwaru that have left around 10 million so that ojiko be gworo baka next financial baka na dojito abana bande ba grade 10 ba buja kwa menda so that do na because ongo takagiro mwana aende school eri arangeretiwe and especially na bono this time abana ba rute public schools para ngretu school jingia Alliance
Nyambaria
nyamba ya kisi school abange abana bari monyete with the type of education system we have onyo the present years na bana mo so in the school we barangeriwe as the parents make arrangements to pay na bana ba ko baje basel
iko
una bono like this school ni Nakuru ye kumichinda they were not admitting students without school fees as per the directive year president yesterday. I had to go to the ministry officials by interview ni baganga batabiru mwana abana boire bakoko jigo ko ba admitted and that's my trend that you know ndabu atabanda bangaria agonji weka na ile mwana yoka mijini
ntikora ko na school korra tole
akuru avonu tumijinda so ngajanga ke sabu ngara jibese je karo ngonyora ngwaka ne mwana jibese jiko gara so school mwana itako sai utako misiri baga because ya bari mo babwate attendance of taking advantage that bana ba mbaraja so that yama bagaja ba other people. Maybe I'm told, I don't know. That
no, it happens.
Sometimes said these positions. So that the one or another miss it one room one of the Bureau and Yambari or go to Nairobi school or go to Alliance. This is the way about diversity. One room one or did well. A day school because you because in a day school. So Ngajangarana from my constituents, Abanabons, pure Yogartamo, the school again, though. We can't do. One very bright. The system CPC, Jabu had the problem. On your room one night at the Buya because the Ragona party was one room one or Otomiru school. I school to get Embe. Bono, Gajangasoko school, Jingiaga, Nakuruhai, Nakuruga. School, and you know they went that in there.
Because you took it up as a responsibility. Umano yo language school telling ya na tete bien aboko mo change.
Let me tell you my constituency what because you know this is Captain Boy is Islam area. You go to London is Islam area.
Yes.
But some of these people they don't care about the education. So it's up to me as the representative make sure na bana we from public schools, private schools. From the time I've been a member of parliament.
Yes.
Na kanira bana from Form 1 mpaka Form 4 bajire university ba ko some of them if you could yesterday after na route gari na je tranji bana bara ba agree me among to meet them now they have said there are around 10 of them na yete school gabaga na baka ko university ba so they want to also give out to the community they want 10 kids. Kilo your mother sponsor or your so that they take over.
Okay.
They appreciate
for what you did.
For my constituents, yes.
That's great.
Some of them are doctors, some of them are engineers.
Okay.
Some of them are accountants. They are there. They're in the office waiting for me.
We can cover the story as well.
Yeah, you can cover
to manage exactly because that is a good impact. More make a society.
Impact, yes.
You got generally never go over colleagues.
I've been doing that. I really get sometimes worried. You can go on Kurubusi. By the way, let me tell you, I'm an umbrella sponsor to Kurubusi. Abangasan. Go Canada, or then various schools in that. Then go and Kurubusi. You go to Avanavan, whatever, and I got into and I want. And I assisted most of them. So when I said I'm not going to fire. I decided to still continue assisting because I was not assisting them because I was so those who are simple almost 20, I'm still paying for them school fees. Nobody secondary schools, nobody Tonga, nobody got no Tonga, about even know the same Kaida Rayas, whatever Nakuruhai, whatever Capron, and I would say that I would be paying for them from my pocket.
That is great work you're doing. Bono Keranguli, Jengu singo tara most of the time no automate nonka abanafunzi mbachandegete because chim picheto njirigo reciprocate bine bintu okara kurwa mbariko kora the same thing injolengeti kebege ko gara gusichi picheto njiriko gandira buno kolega sina kurwa
ndeke mungo rengera bikira so ba usi is the way ba go to review goes
iko abana inchi abanyene
I told you one time. Now maybe I made a few mistakes.
In the first time.
So in general, the year was whenever I was your rubber jumbe, about your room jumbe, or one time and the
Vamos. Babento Malibaga.
Ego you look out the Eljo Jaga Gumaya. Taco and ready. Taco Yara, I got to watch the body and I got to watch where washrooms are. Na bora je ganyo wazure jikoni jikoni na ngona na waja lero na mapiko
manyola
so Gamatana let them not elect members of parliament on one-term basis. Let me give you an example. I was in parliament with two members of parliament from Ugetutu. That was
Osire.
Honorable Obusire no anyorete
na Shadrach
otuange Obusire no anyorete bungi no we entered at the same time
2013
bakamurus 2017 wakabeka
Shadrach
Shadrach
yes
2013 wakabeka
2013 Bosire.
2017
Shadrach. Yes.
2022
Gisairo.
You can see within
a span of 15 years, 3 terms, 3 different MPs.
3 different MPs. In the same committee, roads. No mundo kwa Shadrach Mosa. The president, yes.
The solicitor.
The solicitor general.
Yes.
Even the reviews be a target. Asabi tigere. No na devi como chikote nere ko royo janera o jake bia
ekando
tigere dia Kamosi umushimiwa Kamosi
yes
odu arenge na no mwago rio ko rubugesana
deputy governor
paka 2017 I think after that no ile tamo ko 2017
teke mosio lenge Kamosi Karusu 2022.
Kamosi aja Karusu 2022. You were the same committee na Kamosi. And if you look at him, to look at Kamosi aja kata kora, dia tu kata nen. Because you just na era bon taru kumanya jauh aja kira.
Aga chake viai.
Bon na euro aja kira. Na inde no tu buat third time mo kira Kamosi tu orang na era bana bare ko ka bare kira ba ko rama temu. Ba ko te issues bare ko na Kamosi ara ko ndo o ba ide school ba ko. He was doing very well. But when you look at it, with FM, ego tangaza abana batora na school, abange baru the West Mugirango. So I was asking myself, una give onyo rendi ba tikete kemos me bia gende. You have known the art.
Anga kende
you have known the art of with abana ba school. Aba jume bari ndo wo bremu yako na temperament. They don't know.
It is true.
So sometimes it's not good to change all the time. I've been able to do all of these things because I'm doing my third term. I know how development is going to like the back of my hand. I know what people want. You might think I'm going to go to Town West. And that's why I've done it very, very well. If you come to my constituents, you can see Tamak roads. If you come to my constituents, you can see Abanavas Bajiresi school. If you walk to a school called Milimani, I've made a very good school in Milimani Primary. It's one of the best schools now.
I've been there. I stay around the guard.
And if you go there, want to look at it, I will the teacher.
Okay.
Okay, and only the two or what we have done. I will tell them to, or I will give you my people walk around you. And all in my office, the CDF, where you have been there.
Yes.
Those are taxpayers' money in Good Town West. We used to operate from a small office. Now that office, now at Rossi area, it is housing all the government departments.
Pakke ibande nguba tu biro.
Ibande biro, abantu baron, ede na ede bono tu buate youth office. Yeah, youths, vana Good Town West. Tu buate people disappeared. Tu buate abantu bachu wakari mbate jia bishia. And you will see my boardroom is, I host people there. I
found people seated. I know
about the from Java and that you know. If you go parliament, my friends, let them know that if I'm able to take 3,000 students, school, boarding schools. Let me see members of parliament receive out the Vanaki or the Water can Lakini
ase ababange tubuate milioni 3,000
Marama more the Wakoira. Then I do 3,000 here. Among the 4,000. You know, we can only say about that. Rama what to school jingle, but the preparation is I know about school. Don't go to school. Let them stop giving money to schools. Let them give money to students.
Kabisa.
After work on the fete.
Ome tumeshime excuse yetu. Na elimu ya soka ilivona kwa soka 22,000. Na chichi alengo monda kwa mwaka. Ndichi school mbate 158. Yonda te mbate chichi school 200.
We don't give money to schools. We give to students back. Abana barenga ba ko school weji ba gora CP ba grade 10. You know, you find it.
That is it.
They're just like the ones who are in Naguru Town West. The number of students, but what like the number of students in Naguru Town West. So what they should be able to tell me is that na abana batobuate abange sana babe no nya 300,000 abine bututa jina bali arama ko ira
just good
3,000
kabisa
amai whatever na ire da nata 4,000 day school so na ire da 7 abane na ko nyara
agora tipo a defense
system kono munda ko rota na gina arama bwate actually somebody you know there is mugwendo rionge Clark ya Nyamira o Kero no Kera ariko
o Kero linge speaker former speaker
I've never seen a pig fool like him ma ta ga tena de via mandona ki na rama igabwate e constituency kana e ward ana mo bari mdirida ngamugane ngamudena ki obeso mu ajakiri kuiba abunyamira nabo kunya kubaminyo kiga amonyo David byo jinga agajaka na kwetana nade chibe chiba ari kunya kuiba ari bona agajaga ikasegete aganyola stay yago my friend na Kurtown West is a complicated constituency. You can never be re-elected there unless you do the right things and then you talk about elected.
That right. Ko romo chumba cha
manage community ile area mkuu those are communities in all 42 communities live there. I've been able to bring them together. That's why kwaro je yo musigisi ori ajo kwa na area and you know that's what they want to pass it so kwaro jengo bakana ko dana ki ujingo yenda mutike because you know I wonder why we entertain even yabantu legali bago post Matiang'i for presidency. I don't understand why abagusi batako come together baba say won't be ba so elected. Reason ne lina ndu talk about first kabisa tina we gatwanje umuntu we community get
asiki
usinagie kinkobori nagi ingeko gara ko nyore member of parliament ora gusio o no dana Matiang'i ta ko gamba na Matiang'i no are ga o dana kinata ko gamba na Matiang'i o to ko teba nduma eto na kia gambe te even P4
no me Matiang'i ningo asegas
de urso no de na ba manyeti
igo
ba ma ko ba yusi na ya na Matiang'i ta ko nyara na rojo nyora dana iga no even that's a big one nonsense. The only person we have on iga aba Kenya basigete if you want to do an interview average and I want you now Ongo jo kwata emojo ta re town iga ogendo chikapte bo no sujiara people would tell you that the Matiang'i candidate is the best.
I think we need to organize a street opinion
street talk members of parliament ya baba ogana na Matiang'i ta ko president
abagusi
ingi ba ogana
ngana batanga ine
aiga yoke karo kwane gento be ekamo gyoko ta na William Ogo no kara karo tendo kare wrong abo sigisi ba ko mungero le go gana bono dina jito te ba ali ba go everywhere
oro vantu aroche
to go to have
bagani zwa